Is he here? Feed him up. What was that? It was like Gatorade lemonade. What was it?
It's all over your coat.
Oh, it's in my purse.
This is your purse?
That's the worst.
It didn't even hit you, but it got your purse?
Yeah, it hit like a little bit of my jacket and then I don't want to know what that is. Thank you, Will. I'll make him clean it up.
Make him clean it up.
I'll clean out my purse tomorrow.
Oh no.
Isn't that great?
What do you think, Brooke?
What?